What's up, online shoppers? I have this awesome product that I can't wait to try. It is the V-Line Lifting Hydrogel Collagen Mask by Stylia. Now, there are 10 masks in this package, and you're supposed to ultimately leave them on overnight while you sleep to get the best results. But you could also, if you were just spending a day at home, not going to be on camera, not going to have to see anybody, pop one of these on and go about your day. The purpose of these is to help define your natural jawline and to plump up all this skin here with the benefits of hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Let's open it up and see what you get in the package. As always, they suggest to start with a clean face. Now, you get 10 of these packages just like this in the box. There is your process. So clean your face, stretch the mask along your jawline, hook it around your ears, spread it out evenly to match the contour of your face, and leave it on for at least 30 minutes. I'm gonna try this one on with you right now, but I think this one's going on tonight while I sleep for added extra exposure. Now, they say when you take it out of the package, you have to give it a little gentle stretch first to prepare it before you put it on your skin, so let's do that. It has a nice little spot here for tearing it open, and here is the chin strap coming out of the package. So the gel actually has 3 different layers. The layer that you can see right here when you unfold it is the cotton layer. That's kind of what holds everything together. In the gel layer that you see when you peel this backing, that's where all the ingredients are that help your skin to get plumped up, and that's going to help with firming and reshaping this area here. You've got aloe vera, which is super hydrating to your skin. You've got collagen, which we all know is so important in helping our skin to stay healthy and strong. And then there's hyaluronic acid, which is fantastic for moisturizing, and it's all contained in a hydrogel. Now, actually, first things first, the gel hooks around your ears. So I'm just gonna tie my hair up really quick so that it doesn't get caught in the beauty process here. There we go, we are prepared. And I'm just gonna have to work it around my earrings. So we're just gonna peel it from the back, just like that. Peels off nice and easy. And they say to stretch it a little bit at first. So we're gonna give it a little bit of a stretch, and you can see that the shape of it is contoured for your chin. So these little dips here, that's gonna go around your chin on this side. So we're gonna give it a bit of a stretch. Now the hydrogel is very sticky. That's where all the ingredients are contained. So I'm gonna use the seam that you can see here, and I'm going to line it up with my chin, and I'm gonna stretch this up over my ears like that and like this. I think this is why you want to spend a little bit of time stretching it. I'll get my earring out of there. And then once you have it applied, you're going to want to like adjust it a little bit and smooth it over your skin. It looks kind of like a beard, but it feels really nice. I can feel this like cooling, kind of moisturizing sensation on my skin. I really like how it feels. It is putting a little bit of pressure on my ears, and if I push up on the straps a little bit like this, it definitely has more give in the mask, and it's moving up a little bit and releasing a little bit of the pressure there. I don't think I would have a hard time sleeping with this on, and I could definitely go about doing things in my house, cleaning, reading a book, working on paperwork, and definitely scrolling through social media. I wouldn't be distracted by it. I wouldn't feel the need to like keep shifting the pressure on my ears or anything like that. It's always nice to do things that pamper yourself, and this is definitely a pampering activity. The feeling of this little cotton mask on my chin feels wonderful. It has a gentle pressure that I can feel pulling upwards, and I'm certain that after 30 minutes I'm really going to feel moisturized in this area, and my skin's going to feel incredible. So we're definitely going to come back in 30 minutes, take the mask off, and tell you how I feel about it. Now, Stylia also makes this, which is their 24 karat gold collagen eye gels. I'm going to be popping those ones on. So for the ultimate in pampering, you can put some of these on and put this on, take a little nap, and come back and see how you feel. I bet you feel fantastic. Okay, now about 50 minutes has transpired. I actually went off and cleaned the bathroom while I was waiting for this to absorb and do its thing. And now it's time to take it off. So I had this on for about 50 minutes, and I haven't found it to bother me at all. It didn't really pull in my ears or feel uncomfortable. I wasn't tugging at it or trying to reposition it. The mask felt really comfortable on my face, and now I'm curious to see how it feels when I take it off. Removing them is pretty easy. You just unhook it like this and pull it off that way. Now the mask masks are not reusable. So once you've taken it off, you have to discard it. And something I noticed is that the mask has taken on kind of like a pinkish color, which means there has been some work going on here as the ingredients were interacting with my skin. And I gotta tell you, my skin where the mask was sitting feels incredible. It feels moisturized, it feels smooth, and there's no greasy residue or anything. Now this mask was all over. It hasn't made my hair greasy. It doesn't make my skin feel greasy. It's just smooth and soft. It feels kind of plump and moisturized for sure. If you were looking for a nice little spa treatment at home, these Stylia V-Lifting Hydrogel Collagen Masks with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera are an awesome way to treat yourself. Your skin will feel awesome after you're done. And with 10 treatments in here, you can have lots of great days at home, treating yourself, making yourself feel pampered. I definitely recommend these. I will definitely repurchase these. These are definitely a family favorite at my house.